Hi, it's Romeo Caparaso from taxaccountingadelaide.com.au, and today I've got a demonstration of an online software package called Saasu, which is S-A-A-S-U, and I'm going to go through some of its features and why I'm going to recommend it to you. Here I am at Saasu website and we're going to sign in. While we're doing that, I'm going to start to introduce some of the great features of it. Let's start with some of the great features that you'll see. And now, before we go through this, I just want to explain some of the basic things that what makes Saasu so different from some of your traditional accounting products, which you're probably familiar with. The first thing is that it's actually done all completely on the internet. So this is why it's called clouded accounting software packages, because you can actually do this wherever you are as long as you've got internet. So it can be on any machine, it can be overseas, you can even do this on your iPhone, which already makes it a great feature of this software. An additional feature of this software is that it can be used by multiple users, which in the past has not generally been done by most accounting software packages. Incidentally, there's no need to install any software on machines, because you just simply browse onto it and go onto your internet and sign in from the internet. You also have all your latest up-to-date versions of the software all taken care of for you, and it'll also be safe and secure because it's all handled by Saasu, because it's on the internet and safe on the cloud, so to speak. Another great feature of Saasu being on the internet is that you can actually share this very easily with accountants like me. So you can, for instance, do your bookkeeping on Saasu from your office or at home whenever it suits you, and give your staff flexibility to do so as well. And also you can actually easily share this with your accountant. So your accountant, which Saasu calls a Saasu partner, will actually be able to share the information with you. So when BAS return comes or tax return time comes, a quick call and we'll help you through. If you don't know what to do with a difficult new transaction that you've come across in the business, we can actually do it over the internet and save you travelling to us or accountants travelling to you. And another fantastic feature of Saasu is that bank statements are automatically downloaded into your software. So normally you may be used to coding from the bank statement into your accounting software package. With Saasu, you need to sign an authority for your bank to provide information to Saasu, which automatically gives your transactions over into Saasu, which is fantastic because they're already in Saasu, and all you need to do is flick them or code them over to the accounting accounts which are necessary. And you can do that, or you can have your accounting partner like me help you do that as well. I want to mention another great feature of Saasu accounting software is it's actually subscription based, so you do not need to pay a big upfront cost of the software like $1,000 or $1,500. It's just a monthly fee, which makes life a little bit easier for you. And I'll give you an idea, but packages are around $25 a month, so it doesn't cost over the world. A lot cheaper than paying up front, between $500 to $1,500 for some of the other major competitors of accounting software packages. Another great feature as well as Saasu is because it's unlimited amount of users, it can actually grow with your business. And if you need more specialist areas and add-ons to the product, that can easily be incorporated down the track. For instance, if you develop a need for highly specialized inventory systems or payroll requirements, in addition to the simple inventory and payroll systems that are already on Saasu, you can actually add them on. Okay, let's talk about some of the features, and I'll actually demonstrate some of Saasu, which I'm sure you're very much looking forward to. Now, what you may not be used to with a lot of other accounting software packages, but Saasu has, is it has an opening page which is called a dashboard, and the dashboard gives you access to data quite quickly, data such as profit and loss information, just highly summarizing it as well, which is really nice. So you can see here there's a quick indication of net profit, and you can see what period we're talking about there, and it also gives you an idea of assets and liabilities here on the balance sheet. You also have a quick look at bank account is at right now, so that can help you manage your cash flow quickly. And following up from that concept of being able to quickly look at your dashboard to manage your cash flow, not only do you need to know where your bank balance is at the moment, which is shown here, you also have access to where your accounts receivable, which is money that coming in, is, and also accounts payable down here. So if you know that you've got some big bills coming up, they should be quite obvious here, and you can see the due dates for them. And you can also obviously plan with the current bank balance you've got there, and possibly seek chasing in some of the money that you know is that should be coming in soon on your accounts receivable list here. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, your accountant, which Saasu calls your accounting partner, will usually be responsible for setting up your actual file and accounting business onto Saasu, and they'll take care of the settings here, which include things such as your GST registration and all those yucky things you probably don't know much about, but you can leave to your Saasu partner such as me. You or your Saasu partner will be able to invite other users. Obviously, if you haven't got your accountant invited on there, you can invite them, and you can share the information with them. And also you can invite other staff and control what level of type of transaction activity they can do on your file. Let's perhaps do some basic things such as enter a sale. We'd go on over to sales here on this menu bar, pressing add. You can then on the fly here write in a new contact to enter in, and you can then later on go down to here and add, for instance, the quantities and items of what you're actually selling. Let's just pick one of these, and it's come up with a unit price. If that's correct and you've got the right information on that, then and you've got your contact details in, just to give you an idea. You'll then save. You can actually save and add another down there, and then when your payments, if you've actually been paid at the time of the actual cash sale, for instance, you can quickly put in your payment here and put it to the right bank account. Away you go. Just look at purchases quickly, very similar, so you're adding purchases here. So you'll just initially be putting in whatever's owing here, the contact, type of description, and obviously choosing your account, whatever that might be. Let's say it's cost of goods services, and we're going to choose the different GST rates here. So you've got your normal, there's capital expense GST, or rather expense GST free, expense including GST, which is that one there. That will probably be the one you're normally going to use, and you're going to put in the amounts here and save and enter that. Obviously once you've saved that, if you went back to your dashboard, you'd see that would be an amount outstanding until you actually pay that. Let's just go into reports. So we've got overall a different kind of reports here, inventory reports, payroll reports, accounts receivable, which is obviously going to be used a lot, accounts payable, and profit and loss, detail, multi-month, the whole year, summary. So all kinds of different reports here. I'll just give you an idea of this one, profit and loss summary, just to show you what that looks like. Here we go, we've got the different dates there, and let's see if we can run that and see what you get there. Let's have a quick look here to see if this company is making money, and it is. That's great. So I mentioned earlier that the Saasu will pick up your bank feeds. Here's how you actually automate your bank feeds. You can still do the old way as well. You can just import bank statements from your online banking software packages, so that would be done there, but let's just have a quick look at bank feeds. So we've got the bank feeds there. If you need to connect to another bank, you'd press that and follow your nose and fill out the authorities there. Just going to show you at the bottom of the screen is there. Here's where you'll actually invite other users such as your accountant. If you wanted to, for instance, add some contacts, you'd pop into here. adding your employees, sales or purchase contacts. If you've opened a new bank account, you could add a new bank account there. You need to do a bank transfer between two bank accounts, you could do that there. If you need to add new accounts on your chart of accounts, that gets added there. Probably speak to your Saasu partner before you do that. And you can also add your sales, process the sales receipt, so when your debtors have paid, you put it through there. And you also put your purchases invoices there, and then when you pay them, you process them there. I want to just particularly show you payroll. I found that compared to the other online accounting software packages, Saasu is way ahead, because it's got you actually have loaded pay tables, so you don't have to actually enter that in separately or manually yourself. So let's see, we put your date in there, you select the typical type of employer. I'm just going to pick Bob the Builder, and yeah, his base rates come down here. So we've got 30 hours there, so away we go. It's picked up that we're going to take out that much tax for you, which is good. You've got annual leave being accrued down here. Just want to quickly show you, you can add your own entitlements here, so we're going to just go plus, show you, and there we can put in another one. So that one there. You can add different types of entitlements as well. And once you've finished that payslip, you just simply save, or save and add another, and that would enter in that pay. So just going over, your accounting or Saasu partner will actually help you set up. Of course, when you've got BAS return time or end of year, they'll be able to quickly access what they need and take the data out they need to go ahead and complete your tax return with, or BAS return with, which is fantastically, and they can report either inside Saasu or in their own packages, up to you and them. And you can also produce quick interim figures if that's necessary during the year for bank managers or for quick investment projects that may come up. I'm just going to take you back to my particular website and just show you that here we go on my web page, which is taxaccountingadelaide.com.au. We've got a Saasu page, so you just go to choosing accounting software and you can see some of the other ones there, and you can also go to how much it costs here, which I've indicated is roughly about $25 per month. You can also check which banks are supported by Saasu, just to double check if you're with some different banks. May not be on there, but pretty sure you'll find that they are. And you can actually compare Saasu to a lot of other accounting online software packages here, and it gives you a pretty interesting comparison there. I also provide you an hour free discussion consultation to talk about implementing Saasu and the improvements it can make to your business. And we don't just do tax returns with you, we actually help you use accounting to actually improve your business. And one way is to make your bookkeeping a lot more efficient through the features of Saasu, and we can work together with you no matter where you are, incidentally, and bring you the benefits of using Saasu, so that you can actually concentrate on more things, make more time for strategy, and actually improve the performance of your business. Thank you for listening to and viewing my demonstration of Saasu. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website, taxaccountingadelaide.com.au, or feel free to come to the actual direct web page, which is as I showed you, under the accounting software menu and Saasu, and you can see more information. And you're welcome to take up my offer of having a free 1 hour discussion with you, talking about Saasu and some of the benefits it can bring to you, and possibly having me to be your Saasu partner, and moving your business forward with more efficient accounting practices. Thank you. I'm Romeo Caparras from taxaccountingadelaide.com.au.